Hey guys, welcome back. If this is your first time coming to my channel, you are very welcome, and to all my OGs, a big kiss for you guys. So today I want to show you guys this particular way to make pap. Okay, I'll be sharing with you how I make 20,000 upward before noon. I mean from morning to noon, even from morning to 10 a.m. just by making this breakfast. So guys, if you want to know about this, why not keep watching? But first we have to make this pap, because you have to make your own pap to be successful in this business. So in this video I will be sharing with you how I make this smooth pap. My corn, and yeah, this corn was just 4 Congo. I bought 4 Congo. So when I talk about Congo, this is what I mean. This is what they call Congo over here. Okay, this is what they call Congo. This is 4. I bought 4 of this for corn, and the 4 cost me it's 600 each. That's 2,400 naira. That's the price I bought 4 of this. Okay, so yeah, this is the big rubber, and I've soaked it. Before I soaked it, it was just around here, but now it has soaked for 3 good days. Okay, and it's ready to be blended. But what I'm waiting for now is the ginger, because I want to add ginger to it. I want the flavor of ginger in it. So it has soaked, and you can see I actually changed the water just twice. I changed it the second day and today just once, because today on is just to rinse it out and take it to the blending. So this is the corn, and yeah, I'm going to be blending it. I like yellow pap. I don't eat white pap. I only tolerate white if it's echo, that's agidi, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this is what I'm using. And yeah, I want to actually see. I've not made 4 Congo before I just make like 2 Congo, and I don't really measure to know how much I get. So if you're interested to know how much of pap I got from this 4 Congo, stay and keep watching. Okay, so I'm waiting for the ginger so I can wash it thoroughly. I would have just go to the market, buy the ginger there, wash it and blend, but I want the ginger to come home first, because I want to really wash it thoroughly. In the market there, they will find it difficult to give you enough water. So I want to wash it thoroughly and add it, because I'm not peeling the skin, so I need to wash it thoroughly. That's what I'm waiting for, and then we'll be how to blend. Okay, so guys, along the line I got so busy, and yeah, the ginger came. I couldn't even film. I was just busy preparing client order, and yeah, that was it. So my staff came over and she decided she wants to help me out. She actually went to blend the corn for me, and yes, so she's helping me to wash. Me, normally this is the style I use in washing. I know a lot of people have different ways they wash. Some people just tie their chiffon cloth on a big bowl and wash. It's kind of easier for me. Okay, so this is the same way I did my soya milk. If you have watched my soya milk video, you understand this pattern, like what's going on here right now. Okay, so she's going to start again. I'm going to explain for you guys that doesn't know. She have the chiffon cloth already sewn into like a pillowcase there, and in this iron pot is the blended corn that have not been sieved. She added a lot of water to make it liquidy. Okay, so she's going to add like a portion like she already did, and she's just going to beat the bag like this, you get. So the pap is coming out while the shaft is still going to be in the bag. You can see how easy it is, right? So in the other transparent bowl over there, she will she have like a bit of water, clean water, though the water is not clean anymore because she's washing and washing. So she will add a bit of clean water there, and that's where she will rinse the bag in order to get all of the pap from the shaft. Okay, so this shaft you are seeing, it's so clean. Like when I touched it, because definitely when you touch it, you will know if it's clean. If it's very moist, you will know there's still pap in there, but if it feels sharp, you will know, okay, it's clean. Another way to get a lot of pap from your corn is to soak your corn very well. Soak it very well, but you don't want it to sour. Even if you are soaking for more than 3 days, you don't want it to have a sour taste or smell, so you have to always change your water. Okay, you have to change your water every day, or just every day. Okay, to be on a safe side, change your water every day so it doesn't sour, it doesn't have a smell. Okay, so she's going to continue the process. And yes, what we did later, this one in the big black bowl, we will still go ahead and sieve it again. Okay, just to make sure that there's no shaft. You see the way she's putting it, definitely some shaft must have fallen there, because at the end of the day we got a bit of shaft, just a little though, from it as well. So she's still going to sieve it again, but this is just the process. And this shaft, like I said, is clean because it was very sharp when I felt it. Okay, so yeah, this is just what she's doing. She's going to continue until she gets the last of it. So now she's done with all of it. I actually want the final bowl to be this black bowl. I don't want it to be in the pot because it will be too heavy for me to turn out the water. So now she's going to put all of the pap in the iron pot and then rinse the black bowl just to make sure everything is clean. And then she's going to sieve it one more time. Like I mentioned earlier, she's going to sieve it one more time. And yeah, that's basically what she's doing now. So here's what it looks like. We have already brought it to a corner. Please, if you have watched up to this stage, don't mind the background. This is the back of my house. I actually like making this pap tin close to it, running water, like close to a tap, and somewhere that you can be free. You won't bother about the pap staining anywhere. You know how these things are. Once it touch somewhere, that place is going to be white. So I didn't want to do it in my kitchen. I want to do it in an open space, so I had to come to the back of the house. And yeah, that is where we are. And now this pap have settled. It has settled for I think 15 to 20 minutes if I'm not mistaken. And I'm just getting out the excess water as much as I can get. So I'm going to do this to all three and still allow it to settle until we are satisfied. So guys, this is actually the next day, because it was late when I removed the final water. Like, you need to remove, allow it to settle, remove, allow it to settle until you get a very thick paste, like so. So this was the next day. Like I said, there was still a little water on top just for preservative, but I have removed it and this is what it's looking like. Okay, so you can see this is pap, it's thick, and yeah, it's so beautiful. And because I want it to be like thicker, I want to store it in the fridge, so I don't want any liquid in it. I'm passing it into my clean cheesecloth or my chiffon bag. I'm passing it back in there just so the extra water in there can go out. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. If you have made pap before, you should know this process. And see now, see how beautiful this pap look. No shaft at all. This is why I like making my own pap, because some of these market people, they are so greedy. They will wash it, but they will not wash it clean just because they want to gain excess money, and they will allow some shaft to be there. Some people actually like it that way, they eat it that way, but I like my pap silky. I don't like it with any crumbs or any dirt at all. So that is why I like making my pap. And I will be telling you more about this business, but like I said, you have to know how to make pap, because if you are thinking of buying pap from the market when you want to indulge this business, trust me, you are not going to make more profit, but you will be making a whole lot of money. When I say a whole lot, I mean in a week you will just be smiling because you have made a lot of money just by doing this business with me. Yeah. Okay, so like I said, first thing first, you need to know how to make pap, and that's what I'm showing you today. So stay back and see the amount of pap we got from this 4 Congo, so you can have an idea of what we are doing here. Okay, yeah, thank you so much. And if by this time you haven't subscribed, you haven't liked, you haven't done anything, please just go ahead and show me some love. Let me know what you think. And yes, if you want to like know more about this business, how you can make 20,000 upward. See, there's nothing like 20,000 downward. No, 20,000 upward from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the morning. Let me know in the comment section so that I can share this video. Okay, but if you are not interested, you can just ignore so I can focus on something else. But yeah, you know, I will always tell you guys where the money is. So let me know what you want and I will be glad to share with you guys. Like, comment and share. Okay, share and subscribe if you haven't. So keep watching, guys. So after portioning the one I'm draining the excess water out from, I still got these 2 bowls. I'm not going to do anything to this. I'm just going to allow it be in the freezer or in the fridge like this, because at least for the first 2 days I'll be needing these 2. This is a business I actually went into like sometime last year, and yeah, I was making money off it, but somehow I got too busy. And if you know me, you know I work almost alone, or else I have students around. So yeah, I stopped for a while, but people are still, like, my customers are still on my nerves. Like, they are still disturbing me concerning this particular meal. So that is why I am back. And this is New Year. We have to catch all the money. Like, anywhere it's falling from, we have to be catching it. So there's no time to waste, since I have clients who are still asking. And yeah, what is there? All right, so I'm going back into it and I'm taking you guys along. If you want to like join, there's no time to waste. Jump into it and follow the process as we go. Like I said, today is just me showing you how to make the pap. You can see how beautiful this pap look like. Imagine now, imagine. And I was hoping to like gain just a like 1 pint cup, you know, this custard cup, but I can tell I got more than that. Okay, as you can see, I got more than that, and I'm very happy about it. So this is my own special like pap. The ginger flavor in it is superb. Everything came out so well. It's silky, and in my next video I will be telling you more about it. Probably I will make like client order preparation on this particular business. I hope you are happy to learn, and yeah, this is a business anyone can do. You don't have, like, this business doesn't have limits to how you can do it or who can do it, because it's just few hours of your time. If you are well prepared, like I am always well prepared, okay, like everything I buy in bulk or dozens, and everything is well prepared. Once your pap is ready, you are good to go. Okay, like I said, I'll be telling you more about it. But yes, this is like the stressful part of this business, this particular pap making. That is why I like to prepare my pap ahead of time, just so it can be a smooth week. You can just take every Saturday as your preparation day of pap, and yeah, in a week, you know, you're already covered. Okay, so I will be telling you more about it, and this is not business that you want to be doing like every day. So you can just pick 3 to 4 days a week and just make sure people want it. You get, you know, if it's every day, I don't even know how to explain, but yeah, I will put 1 or 2 together in my next video and make sure I'm explaining better. If you are doing this business every day, people can easily just get tired or stop requesting for it. But yeah, I will be sharing all of those tips in my next video. This is the pap, and it's looking yummy. The ginger smell, the ginger flavor, in fact, everything about this pap is so delicious. My house is smelling ginger, and I so much love it, because this is my special pap making. So guys, let me know in the comment section if I should be sharing that business, if it's something that you want to do. I know you guys, you like shakara, you might see this as one local business, but trust me, it's all about the moolah. Okay, it's all about the money. So yeah, I'm showcasing my pap, of course. Do have a blessed day, guys. I love you guys so much. Bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die. Don't I go fire any devil. My life is forever gonna shine.